Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create and add items to your shopping list. First, I'm going to go to my shopping list by hovering over my account and clicking shopping list. As you can see, there is no way to create or add any items to your shopping list. In order to do this, first you must go to shop and select the item that you would like in your list. Let's say I would like 7 Up. You're going to select the size that you would like and then add it to your list. Now it is going to ask you to create a name for your list. I'm going to name this one Soda. After that, scroll down and click Create List. Now, as you can see, the item is in my list. To add another item to your list, you're going to simply go back to the shop and find the item that you'd like to add. I'm going to add Brisk. I'm going to select the size and add it to my list. Now, your list that you made previously should show up right here. Simply click on it to add it to your list, and there it is. If you'd like to add items from your list to your cart, simply click on the box up here, which will select all of the items in your list. Then go to the Actions toolbar, click Add to Cart, and apply action. Now, as you can see, the items are both in my cart. If you would like to change the quantity of the item in your list, simply select the item that you would like to change, increase or decrease the quantity, go to the Actions toolbar, and click Update Quantities and apply action. If you would like to remove an item from your list, simply click the box next to the item that you would like to remove, then click Actions, Remove from List, and apply action.